So we are back again with more Mega Evolutions packs during this month of Mega, as we have coined this month, I suppose. We've opened a few packs from this ETB. Nothing good. Literally nothing good. I think we got an EX. That's it. I hope we got that code card. But I'm looking for, like, please, IRs, SIRs. We start with a Tyrogue, then go into a Snover. Next is Lunari, Numel, Shiftry, Lily's Determination. That would be a good trainer SIR to get. Gumshoes, Ninetales, and do we get it? No. Greavard. Anything here? Nope. Lunatone.